na pinangako, kung saan umuusbong ang mga puno, punong-puno ng pag-asa, bunga ng panaginip ng ating itinanim. Ngayon kayo ay bubusogin at lahat ay sasayaw sa musika ng ating lahi at aawit sa kagandahan ng ating kultura, ng tula ng ating kultura. The rising sun, orange and crimson hues delight the soul of man. So fertile are these waters, so generous the earth. Blue and green colors bless the land of my birth. Foreign warships now abound here, where Datus fished and Diwata sang.
Ito po yung title, Where Love Poems Grow on Mango Trees, because it explains po how I fell in love, of course, with the Philippines. It expresses my love for our country. So, dito po kasi sa libro na to, makikita nyo mga iba't ibang tula tungkol sa kabataan ko po sa Pilipinas, tungkol sa patriotism po na nasisil natin po sa bansa. Katulad po nung poem na Palawan. Tsaka yung Kings in the Backyard po, ito po tungkol sa kung saan po ako lumaki, sa Makati, yung mga kababata ko po doon. So parang it basically illustrates po the love that I have and the emotions that I feel and the memories that I have with regards to my childhood in my country, the Philippines.
Okay.
Nice to have a feeling of sense of group collaboration with each other because it feels much more natural to express the words with the melody all together. And we came up and performed to that 2 years ago for the October Originals from Pinoy Jam Paris event.
Words about home, love, and Mango Jam touched me. Some people are on your path at exactly the right moment. Weeks before, I had separated from my love of 17 years. It came up in conversation naturally, and Joseph, whom I had just met minutes before.
I met Joseph at Spoken Word Paris a year and a half ago, and I was touched by his poem, and so I went up to him and had to know more about him and just tell him that I was touched by his poem. So it was all about Mango Jam. So yeah, with Joseph I find a real connection. Like he's so genuine, so warm, so kind, and I think that reflects all of him and everything he does, even in organizing events like this evening.
Thank you po. Bali, ang nararamdaman ko po ngayon, launching my first book, is sobrang saya po. Matagal na po ako nagsusulat ng mga tula, since high school pa po ako. And ngayon po, so, yung culmination po ng mga tula na nagsama-sama po ngayon sa isang libro. So masaya-masaya po ako at na-launch ko po ito dito sa Paris. Ang nag-inspire po kasi sa akin is Pinoy Jam Paris at saka of course Pinoy Jam Paris at saka Spoken Word Paris din po. Yung community po dito sa Paris. Bigutan, hi ma! Sa mga taga-Better Living, Bigutan Paranaque! Mga Pinoy Jam